Yo, what's going on, everybody, man? Thanks for tapping in. You guys see the box, man. You see it. Got the tamper evident tape on the box right here. We got some heat inside here, something exclusive, something I didn't expect for us to get again. But I want you guys to let me know down below in the comment section your thoughts and opinions over the sneaker. And I'm gonna let you guys know that this might be my biggest impulse buy of 2023. It's one of them FOMO moments. I just entered for them. I got them. They here, so let's check them out, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into another video, man. I appreciate everybody for coming through. And real quick, before we get any further with today's video, right now what I need you guys to do, man, hit that like button right now for your boy. Want to spam them likes, run them likes up, and of course go down below in the comment section, let me know what you think about the sneakers we're showing you guys today, or whatever topic we are talking about, man. I don't know if you guys seen yesterday's short, but the Mischief Big Red boots will be restocking tomorrow at nice drops, and they're gonna be retailing for $350. But if you guys check the resale market, the things are going for way under retail. So it's better for you to, you know what I'm saying, go over on StockX, cop them things, pay way under retail rather than paying the whole $350. So if you guys are interested in that restock, go ahead and check out yesterday's short. Dropped all the information for you guys in that video. All right, man, enough talking. Let's go ahead and get right into these bad boys right here. I've been waiting for these for a little minute. I was a little sketched out because I did not receive any tracking information for this sneaker. I was just crossing my fingers, hoping everything went well, and they are finally here, so I can't complain. You know what I'm saying? You know, usually if something had happened, you know, the box is all banged up and stuff like that, then you got a reason to complain. But for me, I do not have a reason to complain at all. They came in pristine condition. And we're go ahead and check these bad boys out, man. Let's go ahead and check them out, bro. Y'all see the box, man. Y'all see the box. You guys see it. All brown box. So you guys should probably know exactly what these bad boys are. Check them out. We have a pair of 350 Boosts, man. Yes, sir. Your boy got a pair of 350 Boosts. This is a part of the sneakers that I hit on for Yeezy Day. And the reason I'm saying this might be an impulse buy because I was not that, you know, strong on wanting to cop these things, but the homie's like, bro, go ahead and enter for them. The thing is clean, and now here we are today. Let's go ahead and read the official colorway real quick. Yeezy Boost 350 V2. Oh, the box is opening up. And colorway is Caramel Straw. Oh my goodness, I don't know what that is. You guys gonna read that by yourself. I don't know what those three colorways are, but you know, of course, you gotta do something crazy with the color blocking. And I did go up a half a size on these. I'm usually a size 9, but I was like, let me go ahead and follow their recommendation, going up half a size. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into them, man. And okay. Hold on now. Hold on. These things is actually pretty nice, man. Let's check them out. We have the 350 V2 Carbon Belugas, man. I ain't gonna lie, bro. So when I seen the original Belugas, I was, you know, fell in love with them. Couldn't grab them. The resale is kind of high. And the Carbon Belugas not that far behind them, y'all boys. I'm not even gonna cap. I ain't gonna gas it up. Or maybe it's just because I haven't copped a pair of Yeezys in forever. I'm actually, you know, low-key feeling these bad boys right here. I ain't gonna lie, man. Check them out. 350 V2 Carbon Belugas, and it's almost like a greenish gray on the full upper, and of course you have that like real highlighter orange look on the Supply 350 on these Yeezys. But like I said, I'm still gonna keep it real. I'm still gonna keep it 100, man. I do think this is impulse buy because I was not eyeing these at all. I originally was going for the Pirate Blacks and for the Zebra 350 V2s, and I took an L on both of them, so I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and enter while I still got time for me to enter and try to get a pair of 350s. They are super comfortable, I give you that, but for me, like my style now, I do not wear Yeezys at all. That's why I sold a lot of my 350s, my 700s a little while back. But you can't go wrong with a clean pair of 350s, man. Like, you can't go wrong with them at all. Just thinking about it, I really haven't seen any, like, you know, too out of the ordinary colorways from Yeezy, from, you know, Adidas. And like I said, a colorway like this is very, very easy to rock, if I had to say so myself. So my recap of cops for Yeezy Day was the Onyx slides right here, and then I also copped the Carbon Beluga 350 V2s. You guys let me know down below in the comment section what you hit on. Let me know if you received your pairs. Let me know if you did not receive tracking, because for me, these bad boys just showed up and I was like, you know what, it's gotta be from Adidas. Like I mentioned in one of my unboxings last week for the slides, there is rumored to be a Yeezy Day 2 sometime later this year. Right now, it's not a lot of those hype colorways on that restock, but I'm pretty sure, you know, Yeezy and Adidas might throw in a little something else, a little something extra, like the Pirate Blacks, like the Turtle does, just to spruce it up a little bit, get people trying to, you know, build points up on their account and just make another 350 mil again like they did for Yeezy day one. But like I said, that is rumored, is not 100% confirmed, but later this year when we do get closer to that rumor restock, I'm gonna let you guys know full details and what is actually going to be dropping for that second Yeezy day. Yo, and I gotta also put you guys on to an exclusive access happening tomorrow. Two random dunks that probably nobody's even thinking about anymore. Nike's giving that exclusive access. I guess they gotta do something to, you know, get some sales going, because there's not really much dropping for Nike that people are gonna buy the month of June. Like, we got the smoke gray Air Jordan 1s and we got those Air Jordan 2s, but nobody really wants those right now, you know what I'm saying? So now they gotta do something else. Now we're gonna be getting exclusive access for these two pair of dunks right here. I think those are like the ray guns, or let me turn this brightness down real quick. Maybe that'll work. Now I put a screenshot. But we're gonna be getting these two dunks right here tomorrow. You guys see the times. Nike SB Low exclusive access expect to go out tomorrow, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time and 12 p.m. on sneakers. That 12 p.m. is Eastern Standard Time, so make sure you guys got your, you know, sneakers app updated. Make sure you got your car information ready. You never know, it might be a lot of people that do get exclusive access. Nike need to do something, bro. They got to do some Jordan reserves, some shock drops, something to bring something going towards Nike, because ain't much going on, man. So like I said, you guys stay tuned for that one. Exclusive access going on tomorrow, two pair of dunks. Take a screenshot of this and I'm gonna retweet on my Twitter right now so you guys can, you know, tap into this. I appreciate everybody for tuning in, man. Appreciate all of the love and support. Make sure you guys smack that like button right now. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. We're trying to get 100K. We're gonna get there with you guys support. Like I said, please let me know what all you cop down below in the comment section for Yeezy Day. Again, thanks so much for tapping in, and with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.
To work the day away, I figured I could maybe pave a way. No, it's count the days till I fade away. But you know I always find my way to turn a bad look in the field to something solid. I'm on target for a major play. Used to waste the day away. She hit me to say I'm on her mind, but my commitment to the game got me OT till I OD and then I fade away. Lately I've been giving down tones and meeting milestones. No way I'm giving all of me. She settled for a left hand with a gem over a piece of me. My mind's always as clear when she done climbing on the top of me. Really by the code, need you to keep the same energy. I've been this in my sleep, I got here off muscle memory. Self-love gone missing, I'm right back to claims of needing you. I give you that attention that you craving, got you refueled. For real, I hope you find some sort of peace and all that meditating. I've been looking for mine inside the blood, I'm self-medicated. Bad little vibe, ride or die, she on standby. 30 from 30, I'm not missing if I'm shooting mine. All I ever did was take the risk and learn in real time. How you think I'm up right now, been living on this type of time. All I ever did was take the risk and learn in real time. How you think I'm up right now, been living on this type